Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to change your username or your name on TikTok. Let's get started. Let's click the TikTok app. Great. And now we're going to click the little profile guide down in the right-hand corner. And now we're going to click Edit Profile. As you can see, it says your username or your name. You can't change your name. You can only change your name every 7 days. And I can't change mine until December 4th. You can change your username every 30 days. So I can change that. But I'm going to save it because this is the name of my YouTube channel and my TikTok account. And that's pretty much it. Just don't forget that your name is 7 days and your username is 30 days. That's when you can change it. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and please tune in for the next video. Bye!